What if I told you there are 3 stocks quietly handing out cash every single quarter, while also growing fast enough to crush inflation? They're hiding in plain sight on Wall Street right now, and if you buy them before the next payout, you could lock in income that keeps rolling for years. Stay tuned, because the third name on my list is a monthly payer that most people overlook, and it's built for investors who want reliable income even in choppy markets. Inflation may be cooling, but uncertainty still drives wild swings in tech and crypto. Dividend stocks offer a double benefit: steady cash flow and capital appreciation. Reinvesting those dividends can snowball a small portfolio into a powerhouse over time. In short, dividends turn the market from a casino into a paycheck machine. Johnson & Johnson isn't flashy, but it's a fortress. With over 60 consecutive years of dividend hikes, J&J proves that healthcare innovation and shareholder rewards can coexist. Its mix of pharmaceuticals, medtech, and consumer products creates resilient cash flow. Current yield is around 2.8%, and analysts see steady earnings growth, a recipe for both income and safety. Think of J&J as the bedrock of any dividend portfolio. Next is Procter Gamble, the company behind Tide, Gillette, Pampers, and dozens of brands sitting in almost every U.S. household. P&G has raised its dividend for 68 years in a row, making it a true dividend king. Yield is roughly 2.5%, but the magic is in P&G's ability to raise prices without losing customers. Even in recessions, people still buy soap, diapers, and razors. That's why this stock holds up when others drop. Finally, let's talk about the sleeper pick that could make your portfolio pay you every month: Realty Income. Nicknamed the Monthly Dividend Company, O owns thousands of retail and commercial properties across the U.S. and Europe. It locks tenants into long leases, collects rent, and passes a chunk of that cash straight to shareholders, 12 times a year. With a yield near 5.5% and decades of dependable payouts, Realty Income is a favorite of investors who want predictable income without chasing risky bets. This one is perfect for retirement accounts or anyone who loves seeing cash hit their account regularly. Each of these stocks plays a different role. J&J gives you stability and healthcare exposure. P&G taps into resilient consumer spending. Realty Income provides high yield and monthly checks. Owning all 3 balances risk and reward. You get defensive strength, everyday products demand, and real estate cash flow in one package. Dividend investing isn't about chasing the shiniest ticker. It's about owning quality businesses that reward you just for holding them. Which of these would you add to your watch list? Comment your pick below. If this helped you spot opportunities, tap the like button so YouTube knows you want more. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a dividend idea or stock market deep dive.